What is the most powerful force in investing? It's not the stock market. It's not Bitcoin. It's something Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. It's called compound interest. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why starting early changes everything. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you put 1,000 euros into an account with a 10% annual return. In year 1, you earn 100 euros. You now have 1,100. In year 2, the 10% isn't calculated on your original 1,000. It's calculated on 1,100. So you earn 110 euros. You now have 1,210. That's compound interest. You earn returns on your returns. Simple so far, but watch what happens when you let time do the work. The same 1,000 euros at 10% annual return. In 10 years, it becomes 2,594 euros. In 20 years, 6,727 euros. In 30 years, 17,449 euros. From 1,000 euros, nearly 17,500, without doing anything else. Now here's the part most people miss. Time isn't just a factor. Time is everything. Imagine two friends, Nick and Maria. Nick starts investing 200 euros a month at age 25. Maria starts investing 200 euros a month at age 35. Both stop at 65. Nick invests for 40 years, Maria for 30. Just 10 years difference. The result? Nick at 65 has approximately 1,060,000 euros. Maria has approximately 452,000 euros. Those 10 years cost Maria over 600,000 euros. That is the power of compound interest. Now you might be thinking, okay, but where do I find a 10% annual return? Great question. Historically, the S&P 500, the world's most well-known stock market index, has returned an average of around 10% per year over the last 100 years. That's not a guarantee for the future, but it's a historical fact worth knowing. Before I go, 3 things to remember. First, start early. Every year you wait costs you. Second, be consistent. Small amounts every month beat large amounts once in a while. Third, don't touch it. Compound interest only works if you let your money grow. If you found this useful, subscribe to MoneyMind. Every week, one new finance or AI topic explained simply and clearly. See you next time.